Sa lahat ng makasalanan.
Kasi nga papatunayan natin sa sobrang lambot, pati yung buto na ihiwa mo.
Bawal sa kanya lahat. May sobrang lambot. Pakiikot daw, pakiikot. Ano daw ikot? Sige nga. Wow. The total is... Nakakasayaw kayo mga bata. Grabe! Yung mukha ni Ellie. Merry Christmas!
Kids, I've been looking for them all my life. Tricks, I'm playing everyone I meet, but somehow you were bulletproof, impervious to all my moves. You swept the sweeper off of his feet. The way you burn, the way you burn, the way you we stayed up till the morning, talking till the first light of dawn. Just like fate without no warning, it hit me so hard. Oh, I'm so sorry, girl, I didn't mean to.
Anyong hi sa'yo. Hi! Taray! Oh, wow!
Ooh, could you eat that scrambled yum yum purr?
Yung artistang ano, sasampan ng kaso.
What am I supposed to do right now? Baby, I'm falling for you.
Kaya masaya na napaunlakan mo ang aming paanyaya. Happy birthday!
Happy Valentine's, Happy Christmas.
Hindi, actually sasayaw silang dalawa. Daming cheese. Sarap.
It's a crispy pork intestine with tamarind vinegar, with water spinach and pickled radishes. Thank you.
Thank you. This is the chicharong flour.
Na malapit na maubos. Chicharong flour.
Mahilig ako sa chicharong bulaklak. Sa lahat ng makasalanan. Yung dinakdakan. It's dinakdakan. Kasi it's duck. Sarap. Sobrang balance nung lasa ng dinakdakan. Tapos usually, ayoko ng duck kasi may tendency siya maging malansa. Sobrang linis ng lasa. May sobrang lambot.
Masahing masarap. Sakto yung pagkakaluto. Hindi siya...
Sarap.
Hindi siya...
It's really good. Walang lansa, walang kain.
Pork.
Wow.
It's a three-way cooked pork po. We boiled it, open and deep fried. It's a classic lechon kawali with kumbo sauce. grilled chicken marinated with ginger. We called it fried tinola with sweet soy and sambal with fried ginger. Thank you, John. Thank you.
Wow. Guys, sobrang ganda ng luto ng chicken. It's super juicy. It's not overcooked. Kasi usually, yun yung problem ko sa restaurants. Na-overcook yung chicken. But this one, it's tender. Pero it's still juicy. It's bouncy. Sobrang sakto lang yung luto niya. Sarap!
Kasi nga patunayan natin sa sobrang lambot, pati yung buto na ihiwa mo. Ayan oo. Pag-fall of the bowl.
Worth it ang worth it ang pagmamanok mo today Allergic siya sa lahat actually.
Bawal din siya magmahal.
Bawal sa kanya lahat. Lahat bawal. Yan yung kaibigan namin na pag tanong mo kung saan ka allergic, lahat. Ang tanungin mo kung ano pwede sa kanya. Mas madali. Kanin. Sabay-sabay pa tayo. Kanin.
Yung plain lang.
Plain rice lang ha. Pag kanin, plain rice lang.
Tinitignan nila yung mga pre-basher na dali.
Inaamoy lang niya yung ulam. Actually, masarap yung sauce ng kare-kare even without bagoong. Guys, ang lambot ng ang lambot ng beef. Uy, ang sarap ng beef. Sarap ng pagka-strong ng lasa. Ang ganda ng texture.
My dream materialized. There were
Hindi na makahinga si Pearl. Oh, baby, baby, baby. Saglit. Take two.
For tres leches po, we have underneath the graham crabs, leche plan, sponge cake po, soaked with toasted rice milk, fresh milk, condensed milk, mango tart, fresh mango, chia seeds, and honey twig.
Tanggalin ko na tong kodigo mo dito, ha? Patanggalin ko. Tanggalin ko.
Chia seeds po para medyo healthy.
Yes.
Medyo lang.
Over sa Jigo.
Oh, pakiikot daw, pakiikot. Dahan-dahan lang daw ikot.
Ako ba?
Sige nga.
down in the secret conference room. Emotions are running high. With each side arguing their stand. One says stay, the other says go. Both accusing the other to lie. Turning all things of beauty into contraband.
Oh, bill reveal. Ang pinakamalapit ng hula, magbabayad.
Nilayuan.
Okay, game. Hindi pala, mali pala. Dapat kung sino pinakamalayo, yun na magbabayad. Oh, ayan.
6K.
6K.
Wala ko pang bayan.
Kinabahan.
5,000. 5K.
6.5.
7,898.25. Ay, grabe! Pag yan pa talaga na yan yung eksaktong bill nasabi ko sa'yo.
Sige, mga 8-2. 8-2.
Ano ba sa akin? Ano ba sa akin?
Ang sa'yo, Day?
Mga 6,835. Sana mali.
The total is 10,000. 65. Sino yung nag-7? Ay, sino yung nag-8? Sino yung pinakamababa?
Si Furry.
Abay, the first.
Wala ko pang bayad.
Patola. Ang lahat ng... ako.
Ako, ano ba?
Ako, ay, di, sige, ikaw.
Ako
Sige.
nga,
Ah, sige,
ako
ako.
nga yung may video
Okay,
mo
sige, sige.
eh.
Take 2. Take 2.
Ang lahat ng nakikita niyo sa baba ay nakikita ko rin.
Kwen. Good to, pare. Good yan, pare. Kwen.
Good.
짙은 어둠이 드리워도 우리가 함께 헤쳐나가다 보면 그 무엇도 우릴 방해할 수 없어.
Guys, this is Jumong. Oh, ang laki na, may extra space na siya. Dati wala yung extra space na yan. It's super kilala for their beef stew. Super. Try nyo dyan.
I can still remember the first time that we kissed.
Nakakasayaw kayo mga bata. Nakakasayaw ang mga bata. Taray, may iPad. Housemates. Songbook.
And when we fight, no one wants to stop. And as time goes by, I wonder, can we reverse the fall? Can we go back to that place? 'Cause I never wanted you to leave. Looking back on our past, I don't wanna be just another memory. I don't wanna forget, no, and I don't wanna do what's wrong. Yeah.
Grabe!
What a childish game to play. We'll never know how close we came.
Juicy pear or booger?
Pwede na maalat lang. Old bandage or pomegranate.
Kay kay Queenie, kay Pia.
Light pink, tutti frutti,
Ayun,
or
oh.
stinky socks.
Okay ba na?
Wala maamoy, ano?
Walang swerte mo naman, bes!
Ano sa akin?
Toothpaste lang yun o kayo ano? Yay!
Ulitin ko, sige.
Gusto mo yung 3? Sige,
Sige, challenge.
Yung pinakapakit yung lasa. Barf or beef? Ito? Barf. Suko.
May black.
Ano yung black?
Black licorice or burnt rubber.
Burnt rubber. Ito? Furl.
Ay, pares tayo.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Set. Go.
Tutti frutti.
Ay, okay lang yung sa akin. Lasang uling.
That's pomegranate.
Yung mukha ni Ellie.
Iwanan ko masarap yung akin to yung
Yung sa akin hindi masarap, pero para kayong kumain ng sunog. Nakawali.
Kuya, ano yung
Akin lasang sunog.
bandage?
Ano silang lasa?
Matamis na bandage. Oo. Matamis pa din.
Merry Christmas! Hindi man lang nagsabay-sabay. Merry Christmas! And a Happy New Year! A loving Christmas, no. And we're done. Uwian na. It's been a very fun night. Wait lang, kasi baka mahulog ako. Nababa muna ako. Ayun, so yeah. It's been a very fun night with the team. Maraming ding nakapunta, pero yeah, it's really fun to do this every now and then. Plus, to celebrate another year. And yeah, maybe that's it for now. Tingnan niyo pagod na yung eyes ko. I'll see you on the next vlog or tomorrow. I don't know kung anong kakainatan ng vlog na to, but yeah, I'll see you. Bye-bye!
다행일지 몰라 사실 말야 내 목소리 들으면 갑자기 말문이 턱하고 막힐 것만 같아 갑작스런 말에 부담될까 꼭 참았던 말이야 I know that I've been so far away. I've had a lot on my plate. I know that I've been so hard to reach. But I don't wanna be that man. I wanna do better by you. I wanna be better for you. No more taking you for granted. I wanna do better by you. Shed the old, embrace the new. No more taking you for granted anymore. So baby, please keep that door open for me just a little bit longer. Yeah, we could try to mend what is broken. If you just keep the door open. I've journeyed far from where I stand. Now I'm longing for change. I hear the echoes from this different man, but all his words are rearranged. So baby, please keep the door open for me just a little bit longer. Yeah, we could try to mend what is broken. Yeah, if you just keep the door open. Oh. I wanna do better by you. I wanna be better for you. No more taking you for granted. I wanna do better by you. Shed the old, embrace the new. No more taking you for granted anymore. For me, just a little bit longer. Oh, yeah, we could try to mend what is broken.
lost and no